Can you see yourself in the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. The Pacifica delivers the ultimate in family-focused transportation. Its excellent ergonomics, amenities, and safety features inspire confidence and assure comfort for everyone. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, remote engine start, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, satellite radio, fog lamps. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your most precious cargo is in good hands. The Pacifica has your family's back. Test drive it today.